Hi, I'm Claire. I'm the school principal of the Oxford School. I have been working here for about 15 years, but in those 15 years the job has really changed. What I love the most about my job is the diversity of it. It changes every single day and nothing is the same from day to day. I love especially seeing the students progress from coming in on their first day looking nervous and shy and maybe not much English to then leaving and just fluently speaking, really fitting in, really being part of the school and going away with a big smile.
Hi, my name's Grant. I'm the academic manager here at Oxford International in Oxford. I've been here for around 7 years. My role as academic manager includes sorting out classrooms, materials, books, organising the teachers and the courses. So here at the school, at Oxford School, we are kind of like a little family, so it really adds to the experience. When students come here, they feel cared for, they feel looked after. We have tried to keep everyone happy, make our courses flexible and learner-centred. So we have a very good community when it comes to the students all getting on with one another, even if they're on a different course than each other. So that could be about the activities after class or just the general environment from the beginning when they join us on induction day and their whole student journey in general.
I would say the best thing about working at the Oxford School is our ethos here. I've tried really hard to create this warm, welcome atmosphere for anyone that walks through the school doors, whether it's staff or students. And I would say that's what we enhance the most, is making sure that we're a friendly, family-based school because we're still so small. We have a really diverse student body, students from all over the world coming to the school, which means that we can all learn about each other's cultures and integrate and do things like International Food Night or an International Day describing our different countries and cultures, which we all love. And why come to Oxford? Obviously Oxford screams of academia and is really known for its prestigious universities, but also it's not just about the academia, it's all about what they can do in Oxford. And I think students come here and say they love coming to Oxford because it's small, it's safe, and they can still do everything that they could possibly do in a bigger city. But also they're really close to London as well, which is only an hour on the train. So they've got a choice and a mix of doing those different things if they want to.
And another thing about Oxford is, as a city, it's very inspiring because it's a city of education. So we are surrounded by universities and university students, as well as outstanding architecture, which really helps students become inspired. And also it's a small city, it's easy to get used to and get to know very easily. We have great things to see around the city, whether it's the universities, whether it's the Oxford Castle, whether it's the great museums. We also have punting in the summer, and it's really nice to be around that student life. We do a lot of things here in Oxford, a lot of different courses, which I'll introduce you to now. So with our year-round adults, we usually offer 2 types of courses. One is the morning general English courses, which enables them to get a variety of skills as well as grammar and vocabulary and pronunciation. In the lunchtime courses, we offer skills classes. These can be exam skills like IELTS courses, or they can be just essential English skills. You can also choose the intensive courses, which is the combination of the morning class and the lunchtime class. And this can enable you to do a variety of things, whether it's focus on skills or focus on your grammar and pronunciation and vocabulary.
We also then have our OIPC courses, which is the Foundation Business course, which we have a collaboration with Oxford Brookes now, and we work closely with them, and students can go directly to Oxford Brookes, which is an amazing partnership that we've just got. We also then have the care course for students who want to come over and work in care homes. This has just started and this is an exciting new project for us. Students come and study with us for a couple of terms and then in their 3rd term go and do a placement in a care home, in which then we hope that they get interviews and jobs at the end.
We really hope you enjoyed our whistle-stop tour of Oxford, and we look really forward to welcoming you to our school soon and being part of the Oxford International family.